Take a deep breath. Sit with me in this moment, because what I'm about to tell you is something most people don't discover until life forces them to. We pretend we are fine. We laugh. We hustle. We act like everything is under control. But deep down, we're tired. Tired of caring too much. Tired of pretending. Tired of being strong for everyone and forgotten by the world we try to hold together. So here is a truth your heart already knows. You are human. You feel deeply. And that is not weakness. It is your greatest strength. Life doesn't break you to destroy you. It breaks you to rebuild you into someone wiser, stronger, and harder to replace. Every heartbreak, every failure, every silent night you spent crying into a pillow, they weren't punishments. They were lessons. Lessons only pain can teach. You will outgrow people who never thought you would leave. You will rise from situations that were meant to bury you. You will heal from wounds that once felt permanent. But healing isn't loud. It happens quietly. When you choose yourself, when you set boundaries, when you stop seeking permission to be who you are. Here are some psychological truths to remember. 1. Not everyone you lose is a loss. Some people leave so your life can breathe again. 2. People don't change. They just get comfortable enough to show you who they really were. 3. The moment you stop chasing is the moment they realize what they lost. 4. You teach people how to treat you by what you allow. 5. Your heart isn't fragile. It's a survivor. You've carried pain that would crush others, and you still show love. That is power. That is character. Listen, you are not behind. You are not failing. You are becoming, and becoming takes time. Life is not supposed to be easy. If it were easy, you would never grow. You would never discover your strength. You would never learn what deserves to stay and what must go. One day, you will look back and thank the moments that hurt the most, because those moments are the reason you are evolving into someone unstoppable. So wipe your tears, straighten your back, and keep walking. You are not done yet. Your story is still being written, and the best chapters are still ahead. Thank you for listening. If these words found you at the right time, stay close, like, follow, and come back for more. Until then, stay strong and never forget who you are. Every sunrise is proof that you get another chance to try again. Every heartbeat is proof that you still have purpose. And every scar is proof that you survived what was meant to break you. You are allowed to rest, but you are not allowed to give up. You are allowed to feel lost, but not allowed to lose yourself. Your future needs you. Your past does not. Someone out there is wishing for a heart like yours. Someone out there is grateful for your existence. Do not dim your light just because others cannot handle your shine. Stand tall. Your time is coming. Believe in that. Keep moving full.